Okay, come on, Knuckles.
Oh, man, I hate you.
Come on, it won't be that bad. Hey.
I'm Sonic. Everything is always bad whenever we go to dimensions.
Listen, okay, after this, I'll give you a 3-week break, okay?
3 break? Let me see. No, I want 1 week break. Actually, no, eternity.
Knuckles, you know you can't always fight off eternity, and besides, it is probably gonna happen again, either way, whether you like it or not. So, anyways, it won't be too bad. Anyways, Tails, let's go to this one universe I heard about. I think it was called Demon Slayer.
Demon Slayer? Alright, I gotta find it on here.
What the heck is even a demon slayer?
Aren't you guys
NANI?
Ha!
Shadow?
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 I thought you'd usually be going on gun missions with like GUN and all that stuff. And maybe like doing like Team Dark business as well? Ready to go.
I'm right here.
Jeez.
Well, yes, I
Alright,
do sometimes
found
go
it.
on gun missions. For now, I'm on like a vacation, and I'm feeling really bored. So, once I heard about you guys going to this Demon Slayer universe, I thought, well, why not tag along? I usually don't do this, so why not?
Say so, at least you're not a
Well, I got one Shadow. Like, anytime we go to any dimensions or any universes, things are gonna turn out really bad, and we're gonna have to fight a bunch of enemies.
Don't worry about Knuckles, he's just a party pooper.
I'm well aware.
Alright, I found the place. Do you wanna press the button?
Do you think I care?
Anyway, just click the red button, Tails. Alright, let's go!
You mastered total concentration constant. Impressive. You're 1 step away from becoming a Hashira. That's 1 step out of 10,000, mind you. You're bleeding. Try to focus on that one torn blood vessel. Focus on your breathing. Now stop it. Good. Now, you should rest, and not worry about the others. The young boar is handling everyone that fell out of the train and saving them. Of course, the boy of yellow also did the same. He's pretty tuckered out. Now he's asleep.
It was a lot easier to destroy this train than I thought. Tipping it over was pretty difficult, but I managed to derail it. I've killed the demon slayers in here myself, just as Lord moves on us.
Whew. Okay, we made. Oh my gosh!
Wow.
This is pretty
Hey, look over there.
destroyed, huh?
What
Oh,
the heck happened?
I don't know. Excuse me.
Focusing on your breathing.
Do you know what happened here?
Yes! We attacked demons and it got derailed.
Sheesh.
Demons?
No kidding. Wait,
Yes.
you fight. Wait,
What kind of demons?
yeah.
Yes, we fight demons.
But what
Yeah,
kind
but
of-
like what
One
kind of
happened to be
demons?
possessing the train. We cut off his head and it derailed.
Yeah, but what kind are there?
Whoa.
Kind like that.
Huh? Oh, what the?
What? What the?
You know, this being our first time meeting, I already dislike you.
And who are you to dislike?
Where is Shadow?
I am the Flame Hashira.
I don't know where
Yojiro
Shadow
Red
is.
Goku.
Both Yojiro.
Shadow even come
Where
with?
is he?
Yeah.
To weaken Brown. That brings to the
I don't see him anywhere.
Being a human being is a blessing. You'll eventually grow old and die, which is every right everyone deserves.
All this talk about demons. Whoa, people forget.
Oh boy.
Really?
Oh, watch out. Oh jeez.
Just stop doing that.
You gotta stop doing that, Shadow.
How movie Shadow.
Oh my god.
Sandy, how movie Shadow does it. Whoa!
That's a fight that they're here.
Its sword's on
Should
fire.
we help them?
Oh, this is gonna be good. I'm gonna
Should we
enjoy
help them
this.
or not?
Oh dang.
Whoa! I guess a Shadow.
Looks like Shadow's joining. I guess I will too. Hello. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.
Flame breathing, second form. Rising scorching sun!
Yeah.
Chaos control.
We got you surrounded, whatever your name is. Uh-oh.
Right behind
That's gonna be the mark.
Alright guys, I say we back off for this one.
Demon. I wonder what they'll call me. They're nothing but a joke.
Yeah, you still don't know what that thing can do to you.
Honestly, that guy doesn't seem like a joke at all. He seems pretty powerful.
Oh
He
jeez.
hasn't done a single thing to me.
Whoa!
Oh jeez.
Wait. Where's
Should I
Tails?
step in?
I'm right here.
Tails is right here.
Tails right here. Well, he told us to back off, so I think we should listen to him.
Why should I listen to him? He's
Well-
getting tossed around by that joke.
Trustly, listen to him.
Well, this is his world, and
He's already
besides, he is pretty skilled.
okay.
Pretty skilled in.
You think we might have to use this later?
Well, we don't have all 7
Of
right
course
now.
we could use
so-
the Chaos Emeralds.
We don't have all 7.
7.
We only got 5.
I have the other 6.
5.
Oh.
What?
Wait. I have the green one, actually.
The green one?
And I have the red one.
So you have the other 5, you say?
I have the purple one.
You have the other 4, then. Man, you can't count Sonic, but then again...
Well, I can count. What are you talking about?
Are you sure? Have you even passed 4th grade math
geez.
lessons? Oh wait, forgot. You haven't took in a single school.
Says the one who's been in
Shut
body for
your
50
mouth.
years.
What?
Okay, you don't even need to bring that up. You haven't gotten a single act in education a single time. The only act you've got in Green Hill.
I think this is about to get even more crazier.
You know, I've been to school before.
because I'm about to step in.
Are you sure you don't need any help?
Yeah, we could back
Help or
him up.
not, I'm going in.
Oh, and there goes Shadow.
I forget about it.
Oh.
Oh gosh.
Oh, much power. Huh?
Oh, what the?
Whoa!
Oh, jeez. Wait. Did he just punch it? Did he just put a hole in his stomach?
Call him a donut.
Okay, okay, Shadow, that's a bit messed up right now.
Why should I get my arm out?
I will not let you escape!
You're messed up.
Oh!
Why should I get out?
You are not leaving until I remove your head from your shoulders!
Release the pin now, Sonic.
Oh, crap.
Jeez. Alright, I see more than enough. Like, we should get going.
Hey, what are you doing?
Fight me! Fight me, you coward! Why don't you come back, coward? Fight me! Mr. Goku is stronger than you! Fight me!
Oh, sunrise.
Don't work yourself up like that. You would reopen your wound. And that would be very bad.
You're
You
right.
dying, my young Kamino, truly spelled my defeat. Come here, lad.
He's talking.
Let us
talking
speak
to
one last
Conjurer
time.
right now. Is he? There's no way.
When I was dreaming of the past, something I remembered. My old residence. I should go pay it a visit. There, you will find notes left by the previous Flame Hashira there. I recall. My father used to read them often. But, unfortunately, I do not know their contents myself. Within those notes, you may find the dance you mentioned, the Hino Kamikagura.
Oh, chaos.
This is just sad.
I can unfortunately
Really
not use
sad.
breathing techniques
Shut up.
to stop the bleeding. Very soon, I'll be dead. Before that happens, I need you to hear me out. I have a younger brother named Senjiro. Please tell him to follow his heart and to walk down the path he feels is right. And tell my father that I want him to look after himself. And lastly, about your sister. Know that I believe in her. I accept her as part of our ranks. Your sister shed blood to protect people in that train from demons. And anyone that does that regardless of what is said to the contrary is a rightful member of the Demon Slayer Corps. So hold your head high if you are feeling disheartened. that you are somehow not enough. Set your heart ablaze. Dry your eyes and look ahead. You may feel like digging your heels in, but the flow of time waits for no one. It won't patiently stand by as you grieve. Don't feel bad that I'm going to die. As a Hashira, it is natural that I protect you all. The young buds must be allowed to bloom. Young Kamino, young boar, and boy of yellow. You must continue to grow. And eventually, you will end your hate by becoming the next Hashira.
This is different than my friend.
Yeah.
I believe in each and every one of you.
He's gone.
That can't be good.
Well, honor your wishes, Sir Rengoku. Mr. Kyojiro.
Either way, he'll be in our hearts. Because either if we lost him, we'll never let him down. Especially of what he did today.
Rest in peace.
Come on, let's go home.